All right, this week, rounding. There's a rule that I want you to remember, okay? It goes like this. 5 or more, add one more. 4 or less, let it rest. Okay, we're going to use that rule as we answer these questions. So number 1 says round 3,458 to the nearest hundred. So we're going to round this number to the nearest hundred. Okay, well, first of all, I'm going to use a place value chart. So I have 3,458. And they want us to round it to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to underline the place value that they want us to round, okay? Now, you always look to the back door neighbor. So I circled the back door neighbor. And the back door neighbor, he's boss and he tells them what to do. So the 5 is going to tell the 4 what to do. So I draw a little arrow going from the 5 to the 4 because the backdoor neighbor tells it what to do. Okay. So if I have 3,458. So here's 3,450 and 58 would come really close to 60. So about right here. Okay. So if I'm rounding it to the nearest hundred, what is the closest hundreds? Well, 3,400, or is it 3,500? All right. Now, think of it this way. If you really have to go to the bathroom, are you going to go to this house or are you going to go to this house? Well, you're going to go to the closest one, right? So if this is smack dab in the middle, it's to the right of the middle, right? So if I go to the bathroom, I'm going to go to this one right here. So this number is going to go 5 or more, add one more. So I'm going to add one more to my 4. So that becomes 3,500. And then I apply trailing zeros. So it rounds to 3,500. All right. Round 27,453 to the nearest thousand. So here's the number, and I'm rounding it to the nearest thousand. So I'm first going to put it in my place value chart. So I have 27,453. And they want us to round it to the nearest thousand. So I underline the place value that I am rounding, and I circle again that backdoor neighbor. Okay, I'm going to draw an arrow for my backdoor neighbor over. Okay, so if I have 27,453. So it's almost 53 is kind of about right there. Okay, so if I really have to go to the bathroom, I'm running to the thousands. Is it going to be 7,000 or am I going to round up to 28,000? Well, if I really have to go to the bathroom and this is midpoint, this is halfway there, right? It's a little bit between halfway. It's before. So if I've got a bathroom, I'm going to go to this house right here, right? Because it is closer. So the backdoor neighbor, 4 or less, let it rest. So I'm going to stay at 27. It's going to stay resting there with trailing zeros. So this rounds to 27,000. So around 48,367 to the nearest 10,000. So I have 48,367 and right into the nearest 10,000. So underline the place value. Circle the backdoor neighbor. 5 or more, add one more. So I have 49. I added one more. And then 10,000. The 8 tells it what to do. So the 4 rounds up to 5. And then these are trailing zeros. So we're rounding the number in the 10,000s place. So if I have 48,300, be about right here. So which one's it closer to? 50,000 or 40,000? Obviously close to 50,000. All right, I want you guys to finish this 4, 5, and 6 for me, okay? And we'll be practicing rounding all week. Thanks, guys.